and see how we can look for trade. As what we expected, the price drop and that break the previous low, and we see the divergence. And because we mentioned after that, we can look for reversal. The price reverse, but it didn't give us any trade setup to look for buying. Okay, and right now we want to see if we get the correction from here. That means if we get the trade setup for buy, we will take the trade. Okay, but based on the bigger picture, we want to see how about if this one turn to a correction. Anyway, we move to higher time frame. We want to see how we can look for chart. And what we see here, mostly we're looking for the reversal because this is the correction we're looking for. If I move to forward chart, it will be more clear. All right. As we can see, most of the chart, they have a similar movement. And right now, what I want is, I want to put this one in relative to this. That's mean if we get any reversal for buy, we will take the trade. We're looking for the flat. But the one things I need to highlight, as I mentioned, based on 1 hour chart, even if based on 1 hour chart, if we're looking for buy, we need to see the continuation as a sharp move and it's a short-term trade because as we see, we had a sharp move down and right now we are mostly, we can get the internal flat for one more drop. Because if we want to put this move in relative to this, mostly we can expect this one turn to a deeper move. I mean, this one can turn to a deeper move, all right, in relative to this. That's why we need to be aware about this. If we want to look for the internal flat, that's mean if we want to look for buy based on 1 hour chart, all right. If right now we don't have any trade setup, if the price reverse, we just let it go. But if we get any correction or trade setup for buy, we will take it. But we need to see the continuation as a sharp move first. And second is a corrective move. Okay. Because we can expect the price to move a bit higher. This one turn to a flat and we give us one more drop. Okay. That's why we do the trade setup. We cannot look for buy. Even if we get a trade setup, we need to see the continuation as a sharp move. If it turns to corrective move, then we are not going to keep the trade. How high it can go, since we call it the short term, if we get a correction, if we get the opportunity, then I will give the update. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.